welcome back to Nevaeh's Magical World. My brother is the new guest on this channel and he's really excited. Say hi, Dustin.
Hi everybody, I'm glad to see you.
Today we're making these thingies. My mom made a surprise about it. Today we're making candy sticks. We got different colors of sticks, I guess, to make it prettier. Yay! There's candy flying from the sky. Look!
Where?
Oh! Look! Look! Can we eat them?
Oh my god!
Wait, what the heck is going on? Oh! Oh! What are these? It says,
Whoa!
No!
Coming!
These look like Jolly Ranchers.
Yes. No, it looks like those sour candy, right?
Yeah, I think these are gummy bears next. Whoa! Whoa! It's watermelon, look!
It's it's watermelon gummies.
Yum!
Oh, so cool.
Wow!
Oh.
They're so cool! Look, mine looks like a me! Look, I have a peppermint! It's Christmas time!
Yeah, wow.
Oh! The sticks are falling!
They're everywhere.
I think this is a new type of weather! It's candy store!
It's a candy store, everybody. More candy. How much candy are
I
there?
don't know!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Gummy.
Wow!
They look like baby cribs.
Okay, let's see which one is next.
Oh, there's so many candy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is a jackpot.
And we get
This is a jackpot.
Yeah, this is the jackpot. Look, everybody. Oh my god. Make a pile of candy.
Whoa, baby.
Hey, look at SpongeBob Krabby Patty.
Whoa, what's this?
I think SpongeBob is giving us mail now. Hey, let's see what's next. Let's see what's next. Let's see what's
Are
next.
these marshmallows?
Maybe. Oh yeah, with the cupcakes.
Cupcake marshmallows.
It's now reminding me of an early birthday for me because it's almost my birthday. Whoa,
Oh my god, there's so much candy.
This is like the jackpot from the red candy farm. This storm, I think this is like the weather now. Is there like a new weather?
This looks like houses everywhere crushed.
No.
Like Candyland. Like all the houses in Candyland got crushed.
This is,
But
looks
it's
like a
still-
cupcake. This kind of looks like ice cream. Look.
Looks
Eat
like
fat.
Yeah, it does.
Watermelons, these gumdrop things, these Krabby Patties. And
Here's a marshmallow. It's blue. It looks like ice cream on a cone. But it's really a cupcake marshmallow.
This is a Krabby Patty. That's from SpongeBob. You might have seen him make one of these. These are like miniature gummy Krabby Patties. No. It's a cheeseburger, okay? Not a gummy, okay? Okay, I'm putting it back down.
Here's a watermelon gummy. I never had one of these before, so I'm gonna put on my stick. It looks like watermelon cake.
This looks like a gumdrop, but now if you flip it like that on the bottom, it looks like a peppermint. But then if you flip it like this, it looks like a gumdrop. There's all sorts of other kinds of stuff, like red, maybe an entire rainbow. I have no idea.
Huh?
Oh my god, they look so yummy. You want to eat it all? What about you, Dustin? Yep, he probably thinks it's yummy.
I want to eat it! Hey guys, look how far we got.
Well, that's kind of fun. We haven't gotten done yet.
I just have 4 of mine. Maybe that's true.
Yeah, that's true.
We just poke a hole in the candy and just slide it down on a stick. See, like this.
And this is sometimes once you fill it up, it looks delicious.
Yeah, then you can eat it if you want. Mommy and Daddy say you can.
So we're gonna show you, okay?
Yeah. So I'm gonna do the Krabby Patty.
I want
here.
our pink cupcake.
And see.
Probably the marshmallows are like the easiest ones.
Well, the Krabby Patty looks hard.
Okay, I think I got almost. Oh, I guess my hands are getting sticky. Oh yeah, they're looking sticky, and that's how you do it. Really sticky. You broke your stick!
Whoa! Oh, mommy. Mommy, I don't want to.
It's okay, you can always make a new one. Yay, Mommy to the rescue! She gave you hers she wanted to show us. Next, I want to make a purple, like purple. Whoa! Okay.
Wait.
I'll put that back on there. Okay. 5 second roll.
If you drop it,
just brush it off. Like, oh, these look like really cute Jello adventures. Are these Jello? Yeah.
the Krabby Patty from SpongeBob.
SpongeBob SquarePants. Now this video is not about SpongeBob, okay? This is about candy thingies.
Wait, I'm gonna do it easier for Krabby Patty.
Oh, look at how yummy it looks.
I'm just gonna put one on the time.
Look at how yummy it looks. Nom, 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 nom. That's baking, okay? We'll eat it at the end.
Right. Get some lettuce.
Yeah. Okay, that does look like lettuce.
It is lettuce.
I thought it was like millions of onions.
Wait, onions are very green. They're like pink.
Oh, yeah, right. Wait, but on the inside there was white.
Look at all these candy shit!
I'm so impressed!
Me too!
Yay!
There's so many!
There's so many, probably like a billion.
It's hard to chew.
You can
eat it?
Yay! Yum! I love it. I don't care. I love it.
Thanks for having me on your show today.
You're welcome. Did you have fun?
Yeah!
Oh my gosh.
See you next time! Bye! Thanks for watching!
Smash that like button and tell it back and click the notification button until it sounds really loud.